longer going to pursue that aspect
okay.
of my cross-examination.
All right.
I have no further cross-examination.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Any rest?
My colleague, Michelle, starts with cross-examination. There was an exhibit that was handed up by Africa News. It's a letter by Major Bayat.
Yeah, this is 23rd February.
February 2015.
Yeah.
It's exhibit LN4.
Okay. Thank you. Yes. Mr. Madam.
Thank you, madam. Morning, Kenneth.
Morning.
Okay, I'm going to take you through Exhibit X13C, in bracket C. There are two lab numbers there. There is lab 1 in brackets 9, and the second lab is in brackets 3. I'm not sure what's the number of this report.
Can you please come again?
I see there are two lab numbers on these exhibits. I'm
Kunezinamba embili zama-laboratory lana.
asking the number of this report. Is it report number what?
Sikwazi ukuthi-ke njengoba kuney'namba embili zama-laboratory lana iyiphi ekuyiyona?
Well, the lab number, the first one,
Yes.
217-267/14, 9 in bracket.
Yes.
It means it's the 9th
Report.
report of the examination on this case,
Okay. So which one is this? Is this the 9th one or the 3rd one?
the 9th one. And then on the Cleveland case, on lab number 34369/2015, 3, it's the 3rd report on that one.
Lapha-ke umbiko o-217-267/2014 in brackets 9 kusho ukuthi owesishiyagalolunye umbiko wale case yase-Phosphorus case 636-10 of 2014. Kodwa-ke le ngeke inamba ulab 34369 of 2015 in brackets 3 kusho ukuthi umbiko wesithathu waleli cala leli Cleveland case 9602 of 2015.
Can you also double check, Colonel, the last page, if are we using the same document? The last page, it's 7 of 7, which it was commissioned on the 4th of May 2020.
Kuthiwa-ke ikhasi lokugcina lapho kuthiwa la commission ngomhla ka-4 kuMeyi 2020
That's correct,
Is
ma'am.
that correct?
bathi yebo kunjalo.
Okay, Colonel, briefly, in my introduction, I also want to introduce you into the record.
Ngifuna ukukwethula-ke la ekuqoshweni.
In terms of your qualifications, Colonel,
Ngifuna ukuveza-ke izifundo zakho.
on paragraph 2 of this report, you have stated your qualifications and the date or the year in which you started in the forensic ballistic, which is 1995.
Lapha-ke embikweni ubhalile ukuthi waqala nini ukusebenza kwa-ballistic okuthiwa u-1995 wabeka neziqu zakho khona lapho.
That's correct, ma'am.
Yebo kunjalo.
I won't go through each and every paragraph, but I'll ask there and there. My question is, when you started working in the ballistic in 1995, had you obtained this national diploma in policing with University of South Africa?
Usuqala-ke ukusebenza kwa-ballistic station ngo-1995 wawusuyitholile yini le national diploma in policing yase-University of South Africa?
Well, my national diploma was in 2010.
2010.
Ya, i-national diploma yami ngayithola ngo-2010.
And then is it also correct that out of all the qualifications that we have included in paragraph 2, it is only the national diploma in policing with the University of South Africa that is accredited in terms of South African Qualifications Act. The rest are internal courses. In other words, are their departmental trainings.
Kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi i-national diploma in policing yase-UNISA iyona kuphela eyamukelekayo kusakha lezi ezinye-ke nje iy'fundo zangaphakathi.
That's correct, ma'am.
Athi yebo kunjani?
And also in particular, Colonel, if you go to paragraph 2.3.16.3, the transfer of marks by the firearm to cartridges, fired cartridges, and fired bullets, that also is an internal training that you received.
manje ke le siku lesi siku 2.3.16.3 okuthiwa transfer of marks by firearm to cartridges kusho ukuthi udluliselwa ke kwemiga idluliswa ke izibhamu ezidlulisela kuma cartridge ama cartridge adutshuliwe ne izinhlamvu ezidutshuliwe kusho ukuthi enye ke yalama course lawa afundwa ngaphakathi.
That's correct, my lord.
Athi yebo kunjani?
And when did you do this internal training?
Manje ke lokho ke owakufundela ngaphakathi esiphoyiseni wakufundani?
I started my internal training in 1995 and completed in 1998.
Ngaqala ngo-1995 ngagcina ke sengiqedile ngo-1998.
And then let's move on lastly on paragraph 2 of your report. Paragraph 2.4 is the last one on qualifications and experience. It says, I was declared competent and proficient in forensic ballistic examination. Who declared you competent?
Manje ke lewa kuthiwa lana ke bangibona sengifunde ngokwanele nokukwazi ukusebenza ngendlela efanele ku forensic ballistics. Ubani ke lo owafika wathi usufinyelele kulelo zinga?
Or maybe which institution?
Nokuthi ke mhlambe ke yipi isiphi ke lesi sikole?
It was an internal training and I was declared by our training officer by then and our commander.
Sasifunda ngaphakathi futhi ke owaveza lokhu ukuthi no sengifinyelele ezingeni elamukelekayo ilo wayesifundisa.
Okay, and in which year was that declaration made?
Manje ke washo nini ukuthi usufikelele kulelo zinga?
I cannot recall when was it. I have it on the certificate, but I can't recall the year.
Ikukhona icertificate kodwa ke angisakhumbuli ukuthi kwakuyimuphi unyaka.
Thank you. Then let's move on because we have testified in respect of paragraph 3, 4 of your report, and 5. And then I want us to go to paragraph 6 of this report. Paragraph 6 of your report, it says, I examined the fired bullets mentioned in 3.1 and 4.2. I won't mention them because they are already mentioned on the previous paragraph, these exhibits. And compared the individual and class characteristics markings transferred to them by firearm components during the firing process using a comparison Microsoft and found. Then it means these are your findings. Am I correct?
Manje uthi lana ngahlole izinhlamvu engikhulume ngazo u3.1 no 4.2 ngase ngiqhathanisa ke lezi inhlamvu ukuthi ke kukhona imiqedwebeke noma edluliselwe izibhamu lapho kuleyo lezo inhlamvu lezo ngisebenzisa microphone kukhona ke ngakuthola manje lokho ke umbuzo uthi lokho wathola kusho ukuthi kwatholwa wena.
That's correct, madam.
Bathi yebo kunjani?
And these are the findings of the exhibits mentioned in 3.1 and 4.2 as the bullets recovered from the scene and the firearm recovered from Cleveland. Am I correct?
Kusho ukuthi ke lana ke lokho wakuthola kule zinhlamvu lezi ezikukhulunywe ngazo ku3.1 no 4.2 kusho ukuthi inhlamvu ezatholakala endaweni yesigameko bese ke nesibhamu esatholakala eCleveland.
Madam, 4.2 would be the test that I have found in the firearm that was collected at Cleveland.
Bashe ke u4.2 kusho ukuthi inhlamvu ke ekwakuhlolwa ngaso engathola eCleveland.
And 3.1?
3.1 is the bullet that was recovered in the crime scene.
U3.1 inhlamvu eyathola endaweni yesigameko.
Okay. So 4.2 is the exhibit, is the bullet fired from the exhibit recovered from Cleveland, which is the firearm, or
Which
tested
would-
from the firearm from Cleveland.
Kusho ukuthi ke u4.2 inhlamvu eyadutshulwa kuhlolwa lesi sibhamu esatholakala eCleveland
Cleveland.
kunjani?
That is correct, madam.
Yebo kunjani?
Okay. And then here are your findings. And do you agree with me that these were your first findings after you have examined these two exhibits, which I've mentioned?
Kuvumelana nami yini ukuthi lo mphumela lona usho ukuthi lo wakuthola ngesikhathi uqala ukuhlola lezi khombiso
It's the first finding. Am I correct?
kusho ukuthi umphumela wokuqala
No, madam, on 6.1.
Yes. Yeah, I'm still going there to 6.1. I'm just saying what you found on 6.1 was the first results of the first examination on the exhibits.
kuzayo ukuthi ke owakuthola ku 6.1 kwakumphumela wokuqala emva kokuthi uhlole lezi ikhombiso eziku 3.1 no 4.2.
Or maybe let me read it. Maybe we will understand
No,
it.
I just want to clarify.
Oh, okay.
My lord, in 6.1.
Yes.
The test mentioned in 4.2.
Yes.
Are the tests which were fired by warrant officer Rudolphs, not the tests that I have fired.
Lapha phakathi ku 6.1 kusho ukuthi ke kukhulunywa ngama test lawa adutshulwa warrant officer Rudolphs kungemina.
Oh, okay. So these findings are not your findings.
Kusho ukuthi ke lokho kuthola umphumela lona akubona umphumela wokuhlola kwakho lezi
I don't want to get lost, Colonel. That's why I'm reading a line by line to say,
Yeah.
you say, I examined the first bullets as I've just referred them.
Angifuni ukuthi ke silahleke yikho nje ngifunda umuqa ngomuqa.
Your report
Ngoba-
says you examined.
Sorry, I haven't finished.
Oh, sorry.
Ngoba
Fast.
uthe lana mina ngahlola.
Yes. So when I was reading that paragraph, I understood it as if this is the examination that was done by yourself.
Kusho ukuthi ke uma ngifunda le paragraph mina ngizwe sengathi uthi lana kubikwa ngokuthi uwena owahlola.
That's correct, my lord. I compared the bullets with the tests which were fired by warrant officer Rudolphs first.
Ngiqhathanise inhlamvu nalama test lawa adutshulwa warrant officer Rudolphs
Yeah.
eqaleni.
We know Rudolphs now. We are now with you on this date that you are now sitting with these two exhibits. Then I am saying in paragraph 6.1, when you say there is sufficient class characteristics but insufficient individual characteristic marking transferred to these bullets by firearm components during the firing process, which could be due to the difference in bullet material. As a result, I took a decision to obtain additional test of the same material as the exhibit bullet. You see what I'm reading?
Yabona ke lana ke kubhalwe ukuthi lana kukhona izinkomba ezikhombayo ezilingene kodwa ke azilingene ukuthi sikhombeke umehluko phakathi kwalezi inhlamvu
Okay. So,
ezadutshulwa ngesikhathi kudutshulwa ke ukuthi bazama ukuhlola ngoba kwakukhona umehluko kule insimbi lezi ezakha lezi inhlamvu and ngakho ke ngathatha ke isinqumo sokuthi ngiyothola ezinye inhlamvu engahlola ngazo ezakhiwe ngensimbi efanayo nale inhlamvu lena eyatholakala le nhlamvu eyisikhombisa.
so my understanding of these findings is that it means there was insufficient individual characteristics to give a positive match, if I understand.
Ngithola kahle kusho ukuthi zasingekho impawu ezilingene ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi kwehlukanise. Angazi noma ngizwisisa kahle yini.
Am I following, Colonel?
That is correct.
Oh, that's correct.
But yebo hayi kuliqiniso lo.
Yes. So that was your first report, which was negative.
Kusho ukuthi ke umbiko oqala one nomphumela ongemuhle.
My lord, it's not negative. I
Okay.
only said that the class characteristics were there, the individuals were there, but they're insufficient for me to say that it's a match. That's why I wanted to shoot additional tests with the correct type of ammunition.
But don't rush, we are going to the additional. We're here on paragraph 6.
Can I please ask again that you allow me to,
My apologies, my lord. My apologies, my lord.
can you give me the answer again, sir?
So the first test that this is referring to is when I compared the exhibits with the tests which were fired by warrant officer Rudolphs. So I came to the conclusion that the class characteristics were there, but the individual characteristics were not
Not there,
sufficient enough.
yes.
So I decided, as I've mentioned this also in the same paragraph, that I decided to shoot additional tests so that I can do further examination on it.
Cha abengizama ukuchaza ke lana ukuthi yebo ngathamba ngekhathalisa lezi inhlamvu ephuma endaweni oqala ileyo umbukiso nale engayithola kuwa lana ofisa Rudolphs. Ngathola ukuthi yebo kukhona izimpawu ezibonakalayo khona lapha kodwa besingenele kahle ukuthi zinganginika isiqiniseko sokuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngikhiphe umphumela ukuthi lezi inhlamvu ziyafana njengoba bese ngichazileke kuyona le paragraph.
Thank you, Colonel, for that explanation, but we are still coming there. I just want to understand the findings in paragraph 6.1 so that I won't make wrong submissions before this court. That's why I want to understand properly to say, in terms of the findings in paragraph 6.1, there were insufficient individual characteristics which did not give a positive identification or a match.
Ukuthi lapha ku 6.1 mangizwisisa kahle bezingekho impawu ezanele ezihlukanisayo ukuze ukwazi ukuthi ube nesiqiniseko sokuthi kuyabonakala yini ukuthi lezi inhlamvu lezi umehluko noma ukufanana kunjani.
That is correct, Master.
Athi yebo kunjani.
And the reason you have also included on the same paragraph, you said, but insufficient individual characteristics marks transferred to these bullets by firearm components during the firing process, which could be due to the difference in bullet material.
Busuchazile lapho ukuthi hlaza ke lezi impawu lezi ezilapha akufanani ngoba uhlobo lwensimbi ezasetshenziswa ukwakha lezi inhlamvu luhlukene.
That is correct, my lord.
Yebo unjani?
And then further, still on paragraph 6.1, you say, as a result, I took a decision to obtain additional test of the same material as exhibit bullet.
Athi lapho ke ngase ngithatha isinqumo sokuthi ngiyozama ukuthola inhlamvu zokuhlola ngazo zokutesta ngazo ezenziwe ngensimbi efanayo nale inhlamvu leyathola endaweni yesigameko.
That is correct, my lord.
Athi yebo unjani?
So, Colonel, does it mean that if there is a difference in bullet material, it means that can have an impact on the examination or on the transferring of marks?
Kusho ukuthi uma kukhona umehluko kule material noma uhlobo lwensimbi ezisetshenzisiwe ekwakheni inhlamvu lezi ezikhathaniswayo ukuthi kuzoba nokwehluka ukuthi izimpawu lezi zidluliseka kanjani zisuke esibamini ziya lapha ezinhlamvini zesibhamu.
That is correct, my lord.
Athi yebo unjani?
Okay. And why did you take a decision alone to obtain additional test of the same material as the exhibit bullet? Because the report was conclusive here. You had examined the exhibits and we have got the findings.
Njengoba kwathola umphumela ke la eqaleni kwakho ukuthi ukwazi ukubona ukuthi umphumela unjani yini indaba ke wakhetha uwedwa ukuthi uyofuna uqhubeka uyofuna ukuthi uthole ezinye inhlamvu uthi zifana nale inhlamvu noma zakhiwe ngensimbi efanayo nale inhlamvu etholakala endaweni yesigameko.
My lord, it's how we normally work. If we shoot the test or we find that the test that you are comparing with your bullets are of different material, we prefer to shoot the correct test where you can do a comparison on similar objects, not on different types of objects.
La indlela esisebenza ngayo ngoba uma ubona ukuthi impawu lezi azibonakali kahle into esiyenzayo ukuthi sivele sihambe isithathe inqumo sokuthi siyofuna inhlamvu ezakhiwe ngematerial efanayo nale yale nhlamvu esifisa ukuyihlola.
Why in the first place you did not use similar material?
Manje indaba eqaleni ungavelanga wathatha wahamba uyofuna inhlamvu efana nale nhlamvu lena ofuna ukuyihlola.
The tests that I'm using are the tests which were fired by Warrant Officer Rudolph. So he used PMP full metal jacket when he shoot the test on the same firearm.
Manje lokho engikwenza ke ngahlola ukuthi ngahlola inhlamvu ezazidutshulwe Warrant Officer Rudolph owayesebenzise yena iPMP full metal jacket.
Okay.
So for me to do a proper examination, I need the same type of bullet to do a comparison.
That was used by Relofs.
Ukuthi ke mina ngikwazi ukwenza umsebenzi omuhle ngangiphoqelele ukuthi ngiyokwenza ama test ngenhlamvu ezakhiwe ngensimbi efanayo nale inhlamvu le eumbukeli.
Which is the test that was used by Relofs?
No. He's trying to explain that Rudolph used the full metal jacket, but the bullet found on the scene, it's a CMJ.
That's correct, madam.
Yes.
So the test of Rudolph is not similar to the test which the bullet which was allegedly found on the scene regarding the material.
Azama ke ukuchaza lana ukuthi uRudolph yena wayesebenzise i-full metal jacket. Kuwukuthi ke le nhlamvu yatholakala endaweni yesigameko kwayilolu hlobo lwe-CMJ okwase kwenza ukuthi kube inhlamvu ezakhiwe ngeinsimbi ezahlukene. So ayephoqelele ukuthi ayofuna inhlamvu ezakhiwe ngensimbi efanayo ukuze aneliseke ukuthi izimpawu ezikhona lapha kulezi inhlamvu izimpawu ezisebenzisekayo.
Okay. Let's conclude this before confusing the record. Let's conclude this by saying, from the examination that you did, from the exhibit, from the Rudolph's evidence test, you did not get a positive match.
Ake siqede ngalokhu ke siphethe ngokuthi kule nhlamvu lena ezazidutshulwe uWarrant Officer Rudolph esikhathi uqhathanisa wena kusho ukuthi awuzange uthole umphumela omuhle osebenzisekayo.
Well, as I've mentioned, because of the difference in bullet materials, I could see the individual characteristics, but they were not sufficient. So I came to the conclusion that with these bullets, it's inconclusive, but I need to shoot the correct test to compare the correct test
Thank you
kinds
very
of
much,
tests
Colonel.
so that I can see.
It was inconclusive.
Cha ngoba ke lezi inhlamvu lezi ezasetshenzisiwe kwakuyinhlamvu ezakwe ngeinsimbi ezehlukile ngathatha isinqumo sokuthi ngoba ngiyabona impela ukuthi nokukhona okubonakalayo lapha kodwa akungiletheli isiqiniseko sokuthi ngithole umphumela omuhle khetha ukuthi angihambe ngiyofuna inhlamvu ezakwe ngensimbi efana nayo ukuze ngithole umbiko engizoba nesiqiniseko ngawo.
Am I also correct, just correct me there, am I also correct to understand that if the findings in paragraph 6.1 were inconclusive, it means there was no positive match?
So ngikhuluma iqiniso yini ukuthi uma kuwukuthi ke umphumela lapha ku 6.1 awuletheli ukweneliseka ngokuthi uthi uthole umphumela omuhle kusho ukuthi ke awuzange uthole umphumela osebenzisekayo.
I would say correct, there was no positive match, but it was an inconclusive findings.
Findings.
Yebo ngingasho njalo ukuthi kwakungekho ke indlela ukuthi ngisho ukuthi umphumela lona umphumela wawomekelekayo ngoba kwakungekho ukuthi sithi no
Thank you.
lezi inhlamvu ziyafanana.
Thank you, Colonel, for that clarification, because I want to make the correct submissions when you are not here in respect of this paragraph 6.1. Okay. And then let's move on. I'm going to skip paragraph 7 and paragraph 8. And then we go to paragraph 9. I just want to confirm, because there is no date here when you say you examined the fired bullets. Is it the 20th day of July, or it's the date wherein you made the findings in paragraph